I have watered my bales for 3 days, and now for 3 more days I have to add fertilizer, and I'm gonna add bone meal, which I guess smells good because I had it sitting in a tree and my dog Bo kept trying to jump up and get it, so it must smell delicious. So I'm gonna set this down for a second while I open up the bag. Let's see, it just looks like, you can see that, it just looks like powder. And you're supposed to put a half a cup in for the next 3 days. This is a 1/4 cup, so I gotta do 2. And then you gotta water it. Good morning. Good morning. I'm putting blood meal, which I'm assuming is maybe made out of blood. I'm adding it to my bale here, and I believe it smells delicious because look, nope. So it was hard enough. It was hard enough to have these guys not jumping in on the water of my bales, but now they're very excited about this. Nope. They think it smells delicious. But hey, oh, stop. So this could be my challenge, is not having my dog eat it before. So then, no. Watch. Oh, maybe he got bored. So you put it in there, and then you use the water to get it down into there. And I believe it's already pretty saturated because I've been watering it for 3 days. Look, he thinks that looks delicious. No, it's not. I mean, I can't imagine it would smell good. I don't know, I'm gonna smell it. It doesn't smell bad. It smells like charcoal or something. Yeah, it smells like an old campfire. So it's not so bad. And I'm watering it, and I don't know, let's see if you can see. I water it until the water starts coming out the side, and then that's when I figure that I have enough water on there. So I'm gonna do the ones first that don't have plants sitting on top of them. And then I'm gonna move the plants onto the other ones. And again, that's not part of the process. I just, this is the best spot for water or sunshine. So I couldn't tell you if I'm doing it right, but this is what it seems like. So I put it on there and then spray it with the water. It's already saturated. So I'll be doing that for 3 days with a half a cup, and then I gotta check the schedule, but I think for 3 days after that it's a 1/4 cup. So we'll see. I'll let you know how it goes, but that does not seem that difficult to do. It used to take a long time to get all the water in there because it was needed so much, but now that the bales are already wet, it's not taking that much water. So I hope y'all are having a good day. I'm gonna finish this up and then go get some stuff done at grading. Love you guys. Have a great day. Bye. Blood meal, which looks like powder, and it doesn't really smell like much. Maybe like a campfire when I smelled the whole bag.